I think it starts on D.
Well, I pulled up the... Ooh, we're getting harmonies from the homeless people on the street. Or the
People are
drunk
yelling.
people. They do that here in
But so
San
is
Francisco, California.
My heart. Because I love this song so damn
It's
much.
loading. It's loading. Oh, there's a capo.
Oh. Sheesh, Charlotte.
This is Enya Clearwater Revival presenting another sick jam
Capo number 2.
that you haven't heard in a while, but that you loved at one time.
And love is free. Let's do the capo down one.
Yeah, so we can not scream.
Let's do the capo, no capo.
Okay. Sounds like an anime.
Yeah, capo, no capo. Oh, my life is changing every day, in every possible way. Through my dreams, it's never quite as it seems. Never quite as it seems. I know I felt like this before, and now I'm feeling it even more, because it came from you. And then I open up and see the person fumbling here is me. A different way to be. And I want more. Impossible to ignore. Impossible to ignore. They'll come true. Impossible not to do. Impossible not to do. And now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me for what I couldn't find. Talk to me, amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me, thing to me. Oh, my life is changing every day, in every possible way. Though my dreams is never quite as it seems, 'cause you're a dream to me, dream to me.
Oh my god, I feel really good
I
about
feel
this.
nice.
I feel happier now than I
Yeah.
was, like, ever.